It started with a mobile desk, built to keep officers secure in the field. But we moved beyond one product decades ago. Today, we provide solutions for your entire fleet. From consoles and cargo boxes to bumpers, racks, mounts, and partitions. It's time our brand reflected that evolution and our ambition. We've always been about what holds, what protects, what secures. From the Latin tenere, to hold, comes Tenhold. Ten, the root of tenacious, holding fast. We're tenacious and so are our products. Hold, the strength that endures. The possibilities are endless. Introducing the next generation of Jotto. Tenhold, built for those who hold the line.